In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete post Instagram on GoHighLevel. If you scheduled or created an Instagram post inside GoHighLevel and need it gone, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to remove it safely. First, open the GoHighLevel dashboard and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where the post was created. The left sidebar is your navigation hub. Look for Marketing and select it to open all of your promotional tools. Inside Marketing, choose Social Planner. This is where GoHighLevel organizes your scheduled and published social content across platforms, including Instagram. You'll see different views inside Social Planner. Switch to the Planner view to get a clean calendar style or list style overview of your content. This makes it easy to spot the Instagram post you want to remove by its caption, thumbnail, and scheduled time. Find the specific post, then hover over it and click the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, next to that post. This menu controls quick actions for the item you selected. From the options that appear, click Delete. GoHighLevel will ask you to confirm so you don't remove the wrong content by accident. Click Delete again to confirm. The post will be removed from your planner immediately, and it will no longer be scheduled to publish. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Deleting from Social Planner removes the post from your GoHighLevel schedule. If the item hadn't published yet, it simply won't go out. If it already published earlier, what you see in Social Planner is a record. Platform behavior can vary, and removal in GoHighLevel doesn't always retract content that's already live on Instagram. Also, if you manage multiple brands or locations, double check you're in the right workspace before deleting. It's a small detail that prevents headaches. If you don't see Social Planner or the Planner view, your user permissions or plan level may be limiting access, and your admin can help with that. And if you're not spotting the post right away, check that you're viewing the correct date range and looking for the Instagram icon on the postcard. One last tip: before you confirm, glance at the caption and scheduled time to be sure it's the right post. If multiple versions exist, naming drafts clearly can save time and prevent accidental deletions. That's it, quick, clean, and secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along while you work.